morning, student. Today topic is drawing shapes on a dot paper. A dot paper is a paper which has dots spaced at equal distance. It is used to draw the shape with accuracy. A piece of dot paper with figures is shown below. You can see there are some dots in which there are shapes. Okay, triangle shapes, rectangle shapes and square shape. All these shapes are made on the dot. So children, today we will tell you about it. Okay, children, dot paper is a paper in which there are equal dots. You can see here. Do you know what we can do in this? The dot that are in it, we can draw the line by mixing it with another dot. This dot and this dot. So we can draw a line or any shape by mixing the dots from one dot to another dot on dot paper. Okay. Now next topic is plane and curved surface. Surface is the part of each of the solid shape like a cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere which we can usually see and touch. Surfaces are of two kinds, plane and curved. Children, look at the surfaces of the object shown. This is plane surface and this is curved surface. Okay. Now next is cuboid. This figure represents a cuboid. You can see here. This figure represents a cuboid. Each surface of a cuboid is rectangular. Okay. All its opposite edges are equal. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay. Children, corner means vertex. Okay. Vertex means corner. Okay. Children, I am showing you a cuboid shape. You can understand it well by this. Okay. So children, watch carefully. It has this box represent a cuboid. Okay. Each surface of a box is rectangular. It has 6 faces. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 and 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, clear? Children, all its opposite edges are equal. This and this. Okay? Now it's clear? Now next is cube. Look here children. This figure represents a cube. Its faces are square. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. All its edges are equal in length. Okay? Children, the length around it is equal. Okay? Children, now watch this cube carefully. This is cube. Its faces are square. All its edges are equal in length. It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 12 edges. 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 edges. Okay? And 8 corners. Look carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, all its edges are equal in length. Now next topic is cylinder. This figure, look here, this figure represents a cylinder. It has 2 plane and 1 curved faces. It has 2 circular edges, up and down. Okay? It has no vertices. Okay? It has no vertices. Okay? Children, watch it carefully. It is of cylinder shape. You can see. Children, it has 2 plane and 1 curved faces. Okay? 2 planes, 1 and 2. And 1 curved faces means all round. Okay? It has 2 circular edges. This and this. It has no vertices. Okay? Vertices means corner. No corner. It has no corner. Okay? Now next is cone. Look here. This figure represents a cone. It has 2 faces. 1 plane and 1 curved. Okay? It has 1 vertex. Vertex means corner. And 1 circular edges. So children, now once see again. This figure represents a cone. It has 2 faces. It has 2 faces. 1 plane and 1 curved. 1 plane and 1 curved. Children, it has 1 vertex. Vertex means corner and 1 circular edges. Now you understand? Children, look at this shape. It is cone shaped. Children, it has 2 faces. Curved face and planes. Curved face and plain face. And 1 vertex. Vertex means corner. And 1 circular edges. Okay? So this is cone. Now you understand? Now next is sphere. Look here. This figure represents a sphere. It has no vertices. Here no corner and no edges. It has only one face which is curved. Children, now look this ball. It has no vertices, means no corner, and no edges. It has only one face, curved face. Okay? So this is sphere. Children, I hope you will not have any doubt in this. Okay? Thank you.